Today we want to look at solving linear equations with two unknowns. Last time we looked how we solve linear equations with one unknown. Today it is two unknowns, okay? And the method we are going to use is called elimination method. So how do you go about it? This is the solution. So we have 2x plus 3y is equals to 600, and this is x plus 2y is equals to 350. So what do we mean by elimination? Eliminate, to remove something from being seen. We remove something completely. So we want to eliminate n of the letters here. To use elimination, we have to understand how we can eliminate one of the letters. We have x, we have y. We have to eliminate one of the letters first so that we can do what? We can solve this equation correctly. So what do we do when we do elimination? We balance one of the letters. Like now we want to eliminate x. Let us eliminate x. So if we want to eliminate x, we put this kind of bracket is this way. Look at x. The coefficient of x here is 1. Okay, so we want to balance x so that we can eliminate it. Alright, so the coefficient of x here, the x that is alone here is 1, so we write 1 here outside. The coefficient of this x here is 2, we write 2 here. So after writing so, we open the brackets. 1 times 2x, we get 2x, plus 1 times 3y, we have 3y is equals to 1 times 600 is 600. Alright, now let us go to the lower equation. 2 times x, 2x, plus 2 times 2y, we have 4y. 2 times 350, we have 700. As you can see, the x has balanced. The x has balanced. If the x has balanced, what do we do to eliminate it? We subtract. So we subtract because all the numbers here are a positive. So to eliminate x, we have to subtract. That's what we can do. So if we subtract 2x minus 2x is 0. Okay, what about 3y minus 4y? 3y minus 4y is, we have negative y now. Negative y is negative 1y is equal to 600 minus 700. We have negative 100. Therefore, y is equals to 100. You see, we have eliminated x to get what? Y. From there, we want to get the value of x. What do? We can, since we have y as 100, we can substitute this value of y in n of the equation to get the value of x. So let me take equation 2, which is x plus 2y is equals to 350. We know that y is equals to 100. So to find the value of x, we have to substitute this y 100 in the value of y. So we come and say x is equals to 350 minus 2 into 100. So x is equals to 350 minus 200. So x is equals to what? 150. Okay, I want us to do another one. So we have another one. That is our example 2. So we are asked to solve this equation simultaneously using elimination method what do? As you can see, these ones, we have 1a, 1a. We have only 1b in every equation. So it means that they are balanced. We don't have to multiply anything outside here. They are already balanced. If they are already balanced, it's upon you now to decide which one do you eliminate first. Do you eliminate a or b? If we eliminate a, we have to subtract because all of them are positive. Can you see? A and a are positive. There's no negative before them. So it means if we eliminate a, we have to subtract. But look at b. The first b is positive. The second one is minus. It means if you want to eliminate this one, you have to add. I have decided to eliminate b. If we have to eliminate b, then we have to add, because the first b is positive and the second one is negative. So if we eliminate it, if we add, we get 2a here. A plus a is 2a. B plus minus b is 0. You know that 1 plus negative 1 is the same as 1 minus 1, which is 0. So b plus minus b is equals to 0. Then we come here. 7 plus 5 is 12. A is equal to 12 divided by 2. Therefore, a is equal to 6. So we have gotten the value of a. Now we can go ahead and find the value of b using any of this equation. So let me use equation b. A minus b is equals to 5. But we know a is equals to 6. So we can say let me take this one here. So I want us to get the value of b. So we can take this one to the other side, this b to the other side, and the 5 to this side. A, if we bring 5 here, it becomes minus, is equals to b. If we take it to the other side, it becomes positive. So b, so that we can get what? We can get the value of b. So here, a is equals to 6. So instead of a, we write 6 minus 5 is equals to b. 6 minus 5, we get 1 is equals to b. So b is equals to 1. I hope up to that point you have understood. Now, if you have understood, I want to give you assignment. This is the assignment. Once you are done with it, you can send your answers to the comment section of this video. Thank you so much.